Have you ever wondered if you can turn your passion for art into a fulfilling career? What if I told you art isn't just a dream, but a viable path? Are you an artist struggling to find your voice? Do you feel like you are stuck in a creative rut, unable to bring your vision to life? Then you had come to the right place. Hello everyone, I'm Rashi Mistry, portrait artist specializing in charcoal. My mission is to help artists unlock their full artistic potential. Art is often seen as a hobby, a beautiful pastime, but it can be so much more. Many aspiring artists struggle with the doubts about their skills. I know firsthand the challenges artists face, whether it's mastering techniques, overcoming self-doubts, or finding inspiration. I have been there, and I want to help you navigate these obstacles. I will help you with your art skills down. We tackle everything from shading and blending to understanding proportion and capturing emotions in your work. In this channel, you will find in-depth tutorials, step-by-step guide, and insightful tips tailored specifically for artists like you. So if you are ready to elevate your skills, conquer your doubts, and unleash your creativity, you are in the right place. Together, we can transform your passion into a profession, learn from one another, and create a vibrant space where art thrives. Join me in this artistic journey, subscribe to my channel, and let's explore the world of charcoal portraiture together. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a lesson, and let's create something amazing together.